Today we have the Itzy Cheshire signed editions, so we'll just go ahead and open them. Starting with whatever this version is. Do you even know the names here? I know you don't want me to use it in a...
I'm so anxious. I'm gonna go back.
Okay. I like how the material, the paper is really thick. Mm-hmm. I like how they're not member exclusive novels.
Yes, me too.
Reunions definitely would be my bias.
Yeah, I know. You've mentioned that many times. That's why I have the reunion Checkmate album.
Okay. This is a poster. I don't think they're album exclusive. I like that concept though. And you got Yeji for the side.
Honestly, I'm happy with all of them, but I want Chaeryoung. That's a weird card.
Yeah.
Sticker.
No, it's like a dice.
Oh, okay.
And then you got another Yeji. Leah. At least, no, this is just a bookmark.
I think so.
Doesn't have, yeah, I think it's just a bookmark. And then Yuna. Yeji again. You got a lot of Yeji.
I'm fine with that.
Ooh, I like the back of this one.
That's a good photo.
Cheeryoung though. And Yujin.
I'm happy so far.
The more important question is, how are you going to store that?
That's a very good question. But yeah, I do get a ton of Yeji stuff just naturally.
So the next one.
Oh, the same back.
No, they're different backs.
Okay.
Yeah, see? Okay, stay annoying.
Be careful.
Yeah, I know.
That's a cool rainbow tag.
They're kind of hard to flip these pages.
Oh, they're in the same order.
I don't know.
No,
You sure?
I think so. I'm not sure. I don't remember.
Probably differently after I take this out. Yeah, I think they are in the same order. I think this is definitely the best concept.
I like the other one more so far. It's funny because all black is more how I wear clothes, and the other one is more similar to how you wear clothes. It's more colorful.
So false, I wear 3 colors, sir. Black, white, and blue.
I wear black.
On the same CD. The same poster?
I don't know. I don't think it is.
Oh. Maybe. I'll save that for last this time.
That's gonna be the same.
Same. The same.
I think what the other one was black.
I don't remember. Oh, you got Chaeryoung this time. Chaeryoung again.
Yes, yes. This is a good sign.
Leah. This one's different. It has a different pack.
Oh, okay.
Chaeryoung
Chaeryoung.
again. And Leah. Yuna.
Yeah.
Can you recognize? Oh, Ryujin.
Oh, you're happy.
Yes, very much so. Okay. Another Yeji. I mean, you've gotten her
In the
in.
group photos, yeah, but you know what I mean.
And then the last one. This is like an Itzy thing right here. How do I open this? This time there's nothing to grab.
You can use it to make it fun.
If you say so.
Be careful.
That didn't work out. So, is it the same photo here?
No.
No. Okay. It's just the same concept.
Yeah.
Interesting.
They look slightly different. But
Well, that concept's the same.
the photos are different. The outfits are different.
No, the outfits are the same. She's literally
They
wearing.
have different bracelets and everything.
I disagree.
Wait, that photo was in the other one, I think. This is the same outfit, though. Oh, no.
So,
Okay, yeah.
it's the same.
Yeah. Okay, maybe they are the same.
Oh, so this is like two of them
Yeah.
together. It's disappointing because then you only get like X numbers in one concept and then the other. Oh, I guess
Oh, okay,
that's
so
not
just-
everyone. I don't know. And the same CD again.
If you cursed me to get the same signed one each time.
To be fair, like the Stray Kids one was really bad too. Everyone got like the same. It's not. It's just JYP's distribution.
Yeah.
Okay, that one's definitely a duplicate at this point.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, dude.
This is the same. That's the same. Did we get Yuna or did we get Yeji last? We got
Yeah,
Yeji.
Yeji and
So this
Chaeryoung.
is new. Yeji.
I don't think.
I think we didn't get that either. Here's a Yona, which is a dupe.
Yeah,
Here's another Yona,
that's a good one.
and this I think is a dupe.
Chaeryoung again.
But it's a dupe.
I only ever get Chaeryoung in group photos. Ryuji? No, Yuna.
Yuna.
Oh, these are different. Now.
Yeah. Like, I don't think.
Okay, so I need to trade the Yeji for a Chaeryoung.
Who's gonna trade you with it?
I don't know in person, but online.
Instagram trades now. I didn't know that.
I don't have to deal with selling it than buying it. You know what I mean?
So this is everything we pulled, essentially. This is everything we pulled. So we got two things to open today. They still had some signed checkmates on the Itzy when we ordered Cheshire and this little thing. Some cute freebies. And then a Jake, I think this is He fan sign. Now we'll get into this. It wants to open.
That's sad.
These things are annoying, okay?
Or you're just bad.
I'm usually quite good at it.
You know, you should have some practice.
I usually
Oh, okay.
exactly knife it, but I forgot. They're just all inside, right?
Outside, you know.
Nice that it's just. Don't need to see that again. Don't need to see that again. I thought it was in this thing that it was signed.
Applaud, Lord, applaud.
Is this? Do you know if that was random or?
No, it's you choose.
Yeah, okay. Let's see who we can get for this.
I have
Leah?
that one.
Leah?
I have, yeah, of course.
You got a lot of Leah, yeah. Let's see.
I don't think I have either of those.
I'm pretty sure you have this one.
What? I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know about this one.
I think you had a lot of Leah though.
It's a Chaeryoung album, but you got a lot of Leah.
I don't mind.